Please don't be too hard on yourself. I am assuming those who are hard on themselves are usually people who are driven. Kapag alam na alam mo na ang gusto mong gawin, sobra kang porsigido. Whatever that is, be it for your health, kalusugan man yan, kabuhayan, pag-aaral, chill lang. Chill lang knowing that you gave it your best. I remember Anika ko, in Showtime, at ang sinabi niya, you don't have to be the best compared to others, but you have to be the best version of yourself. Kasi madalas nakakalimutan natin, nahilig natin ikumpara sarili natin sa iba. Mas maganda katawan niya, mas maganda siya, mas mabait siya, mas matalino siya, lahat na. Halimbawa sa exercise, or even maintaining my weight or living a healthy lifestyle. It's very hard for me. Why I have to watch my sugar? Why I have to watch my cholesterol?